In the US alone, millions of chocolate coins are produced each year to meet the demand for this beloved treat. The tradition of making chocolate coins dates back many decades, with roots in various cultural practices such as Hanukkah and Christmas. The unique blend of history, tradition, and indulgence makes chocolate coins a fascinating subject to explore. But first, in order to understand how chocolate coins are made, let's learn about the process of making chocolate. This begins with the careful harvesting and processing of cocoa beans, which are transformed into the rich, smooth chocolate that serves as the base for these delightful treats. Cocoa beans are harvested from cocoa trees, which primarily grow in tropical regions near the equator. The process begins when the cocoa pods, which contain the cocoa beans, reach full ripeness and are hand-picked from the trees. These pods are then split open to reveal the beans inside, surrounded by a sweet, sticky pulp. Once harvested, the cocoa beans undergo fermentation, a critical step in developing their flavor. The beans, still covered in pulp, are placed in shallow containers or piled in heaps and covered with banana leaves. They are left to ferment for several days, during which naturally occurring yeasts and bacteria break down the pulp and initiate chemical changes within the beans. This process generates heat, which helps to kill the beans and prevent germination, while also developing the characteristic chocolate flavor. After fermentation, the beans are spread out in the sun to dry. This drying process can take up to a week and is essential for reducing the moisture content of the beans to a level suitable for storage and further processing. Drying also helps to preserve the beans and enhance their flavor. Once dried, the cocoa beans are ready to be transported to factories, where they will be transformed into chocolate. The next stage in chocolate making is the roasting process, which is essential for developing the rich flavors associated with chocolate. During roasting, the dried cocoa beans are subjected to controlled heat, typically between 250 and 350 degrees Fahrenheit, for a specific period. This process not only enhances the beans' flavor by bringing out their natural aromas, but also helps to reduce their bitterness and make the beans easier to process. After roasting, the beans are cooled and then cracked to remove the outer shells, leaving behind the edible cocoa nibs. These nibs are then ground into a thick paste known as cocoa mass or cocoa liquor. This grinding process involves crushing the nibs under heavy rollers or in a milling machine, which generates heat and melts the cocoa butter within the nibs, resulting in a smooth liquid form. Cocoa mass is a fundamental ingredient in chocolate production, serving as the base from which different types of chocolate products are made. Next, the cocoa mass is mixed and aerated in a process called conching to develop its flavor and texture. During conching, the chocolate is continuously agitated and exposed to air, which helps to smooth out the mixture and remove any remaining volatile acids that can cause bitterness. This process can take several hours to several days, depending on the desired final flavor and texture of the chocolate. Following conching, the chocolate is refined to achieve an even finer consistency. This is done using a series of rollers or refining machines that break down the chocolate particles to just a few microns in size. This step ensures the chocolate is smooth and free of any grittiness, resulting in a silky texture that melts smoothly on the palate. The combination of conching and refining is essential for producing high-quality chocolate with a rich, balanced flavor and a smooth, velvety texture. The chocolate is then tempered by carefully melting and cooling it to achieve the right texture and shine. This process stabilizes the cocoa butter crystals in the chocolate, ensuring that it solidifies with a smooth, glossy finish. The chocolate is first heated to a specific temperature to melt all the cocoa butter crystals, then cooled to a lower temperature to form stable crystals, and finally reheated slightly to the working temperature. Tempering is essential for making chocolate coins because it ensures they have a smooth finish and a satisfying snap when bitten into. Properly tempered chocolate also has a longer shelf life and resists blooming, which is the whitish coating that can appear on improperly tempered chocolate. This process is crucial for creating high-quality chocolate coins that look appealing and have the desired texture and durability. The molds used for chocolate coins are intricately designed to resemble real coins, complete with detailed engravings and patterns. These designs are created using advanced techniques to ensure precision and accuracy, capturing the fine details that make each chocolate coin look authentic. The materials used for the molds play an important role in the quality of the final product. Common materials include food-grade silicone, plastic, and metal, each chosen for its durability and ability to release the chocolate easily. Silicone molds are flexible and allow for easy removal of the finished coins, while plastic and metal molds provide a rigid structure that helps maintain the detailed patterns during the cooling process. The choice of mold material can affect the texture and finish of the chocolate coins, with each material offering unique advantages in the production process. Tempered chocolate is carefully poured into the designed molds, filling each cavity to create the coin shapes. This step requires precision to ensure that the molds are filled evenly, capturing all the intricate details of the design. Once the molds are filled, they are placed in a controlled cooling environment. The cooling process is crucial as it allows the chocolate to set and harden into the desired coin shapes. The molds are typically cooled at a consistent temperature to ensure uniform hardening, which helps the chocolate retain its smooth finish and detailed patterns. After the chocolate has fully set, the coins are removed from the molds, ready for the next stage of production. The wrapping process involves covering each chocolate coin in foil to resemble real coins. This step is essential not only for protecting the chocolate, but also for enhancing its visual appeal. The coins are fed into an automated wrapping machine that precisely applies the foil, ensuring that each coin is fully covered and the foil adheres smoothly without tearing. Different colors and designs of foil are used to enhance the visual appeal of the chocolate coins. Gold and silver are common choices, but other colors like red, blue, and green are also used, especially for seasonal or themed collections. The foil often features intricate patterns or embossing that mimic the look of actual currency, adding an extra layer of detail and attractiveness. This colorful and detailed wrapping not only makes the chocolate coins more enticing, but also helps to differentiate brands and special editions in the market. Chocolate coins are packaged for retail in a variety of ways to suit different market needs. For bulk packaging, the coins are often grouped in large quantities and sealed in clear plastic bags or containers, making them ideal for wholesale and large-scale retail distribution. Themed packaging is also popular, especially for holidays and special events. For these occasions, chocolate coins are often packaged in festive bags, boxes, or nets, adorned with holiday-themed designs and colors to attract seasonal buyers. Once packaged, the chocolate coins are prepared for distribution. This involves organizing and storing the packages in warehouses before they are shipped out to various retailers and consumers. The distribution process ensures that the chocolate coins reach stores in perfect condition, ready for display and sale. Efficient logistics and transportation systems are crucial to maintaining the quality and freshness of the chocolate, ensuring that customers receive a high-quality product. The wide reach of distribution networks allows chocolate coins to be enjoyed by consumers around the world, whether purchased from local shops, supermarkets, or online retailers.